Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, I know. I have been extremely busy and it is fall time, and fall time is my favorite time of the year. I love to decorate for fall, which a little bit of that is happening, but actually I decorated my house as a trial because I just moved into this house, so I wanted to kind of put some things where I thought they should go, kind of plan everything out for the decorating video that I'm going to be doing. Probably, hopefully next week. I have to go to the DMV next week, and then I have a bunch of meetings. So my days off haven't really been days off, so that's why I haven't been filming cleaning videos, because I have had no time. But anyway, that is what happened back here. But when I went to go look for my fall decorations, I realized I have like none. I originally had, apartments. I didn't have a lot of space. So what I had was fine, but now I have a full house with a basement. And these two pumpkins, and then there's one over there, are the only things I had for fall. And this is not my vibe this year. So I decided, if you hear rustling, by the way, my dog is smelling all the bags. So I decided to go fall shopping, and I wanted something mature. I wanted something warm and cozy and inviting. I wanted like an orange vibe. I wanted warm tones. Kind of like, oh, you can't see it, but like this. I got from Hobby Lobby, and I love this warm tone. So something kind of like orangey, warm, brown, everything like that. So I decided I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby. I went to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Anthropologie, and I bought a lot of stuff. I went a little bit crazy, and actually not all the stuff is here yet. I got a huge cauldron that says Hocus Pocus on it that's coming in the mail, and then I also got a couple of like fall cups from Anthropologie. So I will show you what I got, because I also have a dining room now, so I can decorate my dining room. So I got some fall dishes, and I'm very excited to show all of you that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want more fall content. It really helps me out. And let's get into what I bought at Hobby Lobby. All right, first bag from Hobby Lobby. I have 3. Again, I walked in wanting a bag of pumpkins that I'll get to in a second, and I went crazy. I had to remove myself from the store, and I actually still forgot stuff that I wanted. So I'm gonna have to go back and get like a vase and things, but yeah, I went a little bit crazy and said no more. So let's get into this first one, which I walked in and I was going through all the aisles, because how can you not when you are in Hobby Lobby? And I found these. Look at how pretty they are. Like, it's that amber kind of color, and I just love this color. And then I got 2 of them. So I got that one, and then I got a smaller one. Alice, stop. I got a smaller one as well. So I got 2, and I just said F it, because I'm not allowed to say that on the internet, but yeah. So I got these 2, and I thought they would look really pretty on this table behind me. So so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put some books underneath them, but you can't really see it, but that is what my vibe is going to be. So these orangey, I don't know if you guys can see how orange they are, but they kind of look like vintage, and they're great, and I love them. So I'll just be here for now. And then I got a pumpkin shaped candle. So this is my pumpkin shaped candle. Smells amazing, but again, it's orange, and I wish it had the crackling wick. I've never had those, and I really want one, because I want like a cozy vibe. and I really want like candlelight and the crackling of wood, and I'm an author, so I would love to like have a cold morning with a cup of tea, crackling pumpkin candle, and my computer to write on because I am starting a new novel. If you're interested, I am a fantasy author who wrote a book based off of The Little Mermaid. I also publish short stories on my blog, and all those links to everything if you want to purchase or just look at, those will be on down below, and it is free to read my short stories if you don't want to commit to the book, but you do want to kind of see what my talent is. So anyway, this pumpkin, I just think it's so cute. And this was $16, but I got it on sale, and it smells delightful. Again, this is gonna go on my kitchen table, and you guys will see me put all of this away when I do that video. Everything's gonna go behind me, by the way, just FYI. Okay, so then I got these 2 candlesticks, and they just look like that. And the reason I got them is for this guy right here, so I can just put them in just like that. This tag is bothering me. I might like put some putty on the bottom or something, but yeah. Isn't that fun? I love that. So these will go behind. Oh, that's so pretty. I wish the camera was picking up the color of these a little bit more, like, I don't know, like, I would try to see if I can get some footage of them, but anyway, that will be in a video soon. So I got those 2 because I didn't want the candles to be too high, because again, I am gonna stack them on books, and they were already pretty tall, and I just wanted to get the shorter ones. They were cheaper, and I'm not gonna light them, but hey. Second bag. I got 2 of these, which I love. Like, look at this. Like, look how, okay, my dog is having a heyday, but look how pretty these are. Like, I just love them. I'm gonna put them actually in here. And I didn't know how many. I think I need a 3rd one, but I wanted to start with 2. But that's, isn't that cute? Like, is that not fall? Like, I wanted harvest, I wanted fall, I wanted neutral. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Because I thought if I did orange in this, it would be too much. And actually, now that I see it, they look green. And I want them more tan, so I might have to spray paint them, but I digress, that's what I got. And then I am so excited about this. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I saw these and I was like, no, absolutely not. They are pumpkin pillows. And I was like, absolutely not. That looks so tacky. Like, I will not have that on my coffee table or whatever. Like, I just don't like that vibe. Then I'm on YouTube and I'm watching people decorate for fall. It's a pillow, like a pumpkin pillow, like an actual pillow you put on the couch. And I'm like, a pumpkin pillow. I can have pumpkins on my couch. I don't know if I'm just dumb, but I just didn't think of it. So I got a pumpkin pillow. And again, I wanted that warm tone. I love this so much. And it's a pumpkin pillow. And so I'm gonna put this. Oh, my dog thinks it's a toy. My dog thinks it's a toy. But yeah, I love this. I can't wait to put it on my couch. Again, this video will be hopefully coming soon. I do need to pick up a few things, like some coffee table books and everything, but I will have a fall decorate with me very soon, and my dog is trying to get this because she thinks it's a toy. Okay, last Hobby Lobby bag, and this is what I actually went there for, and it's bags of little pumpkins, and basically what I'm gonna do with these is, give me 1 second. I have this huge bowl from Anthropologie that I have on my kitchen table, and I originally wanted to put not acorns but pine cones in them, like with frosted tips. I wanted them to be really big though, and I couldn't find those, so the next best option was pumpkins. So what I did was, since it's such a big bowl, I got 2 sets of white. And I thought it would look really good with the color green, like kind of like a farmhouse vibe. And then for Halloween, I have that big cauldron coming. So for the big cauldron, since the cauldron is black, I got the orange set. And I only got 1, and I'm gonna have to go back and get like 5 more because the cauldron is like the size of this. And I wanna make sure you can see the pumpkins, but I also think I could just put like foam or something on the bottom and then put these on top. So that's what I'm thinking. But yeah, this is what I got for base filler, because I didn't already have pumpkins. Okay, now let's get into smaller things, but I'll get my Anthropologie dishes and then we will get into the Michaels. Okay, let's get into what I bought from Michaels. So I have this little like table in between 2 chairs, and originally I really wanted a candle like stick from Michael Oram. It was gold, it was beautiful, but it's been discontinued for a few years and I can't find it anywhere. And so I've been looking for a good like candlestick that was gold. And I walked into Michael's and by chance I found one. So here it is. And I loved it because it's wheat, and like September is wheat and the harvest, and that's just what fall to me is wheat. So the fact that I found it does have a candle holder, but I'm not gonna put a candle in it. I just wanted, I mean, I could also do without the bow, but since we have it, here we are. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna put. I like to change it out seasonally. So this will be for my fall. For Halloween, I'll probably do something different. But I also wanted a small floral. And I could not find a good fall floral. I looked at Hobby Lobby and they were too tall because I just needed something mini, but I didn't want it too mini and I didn't want it too small. And I found it at Hobby Lobby. So this is what I got from Hobby Lobby. And in my opinion, they were all a little bit different, but look at how cute that is. Actually, I'm just now noticing, yeah, they are different because one had like an orange, one had a white, one had an orange, one had a green. They were all a little bit different. Some of them had the greenery, some had more of this. So they all had a little bit, that's a little pine cone. They all were a little bit different. So I just kind of, I liked this one the best. I thought it had the most. So it's very small. I guess I'll put it like, it's very small. And exactly what I wanted. It was $12.99 and I got it for 50% off. So yeah, but this was what I got from Michael's. They have great fall stuff. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, like they're so good. And now Anthropologie is probably where I spent the most money. Let's be real, nothing was on sale. So I have coming a couple of mugs and I think plates, and then my big cauldron, not from Anthropologie, but I think it's Garden Road. But what I do have that I picked up myself, and don't you sell this out because I'm going to be so mad if this sells out and I don't have the full set. I only bought the salad plates of this set to start with. I got 7, which is a weird number, but it's a brand new collection from them, and they didn't even have like tags on them to scan it and like to like scan it and check out with. She was like, are they on sale? I was like, no, I think you just put them on display. And actually I kind of bought everything they had on display with the salad plates, but I left one so that people could see, you know, it has a salad plate option. I don't know, but I do want the teacups and I want the dinner plates of this collection because I cannot wait to entertain with these plates. So let me get it. This is the plate. Look at how stunning that is. Look at how stunning that is. So it has some wheat, which again for fall, but I also loved this coloring. So I originally wanted the Fall Harvest from Anthropologie collection, but they discontinued that years ago and I can't find any on like a secondhand site or anything. Plus, if they break, I can't replace them. So I don't like to buy a lot from Anthropologie because they don't keep it in the core collection very often. But this was the closest thing I could find to the Harvest collection that they had a few years ago. I regretted not buying it then. I went ahead and purchased this version, and I need to get the teacups and the dinner plates. And the dinner plates have like this beautiful fleur-de-lis on the top of it. It's very simple, very plain, and I'm only going to bring these out for fall and entertaining in the fall time. So this will probably be like my Halloween, my everything fall, my Thanksgiving, all of that. So this has been one of my favorites, and I'm so sad I can't show you the mugs, but I got like a squirrel and I think I got pumpkins, and I can't wait for them to come in and use them, but I'm sure that I'll do a video with them and you will see all of that. So that concludes my little haul. I still need to go to HOMEGOODS and all that stuff, but I thought I would share everything I got. Hopefully in a few weeks I'll get that fall decorate with me up, and then we will go on to Halloween. I am so excited. Now, Christmas, I probably won't post a video for because I don't celebrate Christmas, but I'll still do like a wintry thing. But keep an eye out for the fall decorate with me because I'm so excited to put these things out and around my house and for you to see how I'm gonna use them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one, and thanks, bye.